Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 4 best racing drones in 2019. To see the price and more information about these racing drones, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 4. We have the Aris X Speed racing drones. The Aris X Speed comes with the 4mm carbon fiber arms and flexible structure, and it is super durable and consistent with crashing. It offers big inner space 268mm wheelbase, 6 inches propeller and other equipment that are compatible. Also, the angle of the FPV camera is adjustable from 0 to 45 degrees and uses a high safety 4S. 1500 mAh, 50C LiPo battery. Besides, the vibration damping clay is used to provide better quality videos and control the damage on the frame during a crash. Moreover, the ultra-high copper simple PCB board design ensures wires are arranged tightly and its arm structure is made of a single layer plate. On the other hand, the propellers are installed between plates of the arm to guard against deformation after a crash. Moving on at number 3. We have the Eking Wizard X2 racing drones. The Eking Wizard X2 comes with blades that reduce vibration and give you incredible stability and flight performance. It offers a light streamlined design and incredible power fair, fantastic acceleration and lifts. Also, it has an LED indicator in the front and in the back that can let you fly at night. Besides, it offers extra rubber protection to protect the video reception transmission antenna and power cable. Moreover, the components are compatible with 4S Life. So, it's easy to upgrade to the Forest Back when you want more power. On the other hand, it is designed for freestyle flying with the tri-blade props to give an excellent response. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 2. We have the Walkera Rodeo 110 racing drones. The Walkera Rodeo 110 is equipped with 600 TVL HD wide-angle camera, and has high-power real-time image transmission that supports image transmission power 200 MW per 600 MW 1 key to switch. It comes with a high-efficiency power system and high-performance 850 mAh lithium-PO battery, and the flying time can be 6 minutes. Besides, the PPM-SBUS radio interface on flight control can extend to install other brand radio like Futaba. Moreover, it is space-saving and lightweight. It has a high thrust-to-weight ratio, which makes it accelerate swiftly and allows you to indulge in the fun of flying indoors. On the other hand, it uses 33 by 68 mm PCB circuit board, integrates PDP, flight controller, video transmit, receiver and other modules. Lastly, at number 1, we have the Blade Inductrix racing drones. The Blade Inductrix racing drones is equipped with 25 mW video transmitter, capable of transmitting on Fat Shark channels 1 through 8 and all race band channels, so you can save several pilots at once. Also, the monitor is rechargeable via micro USB and it has a 1.5-hour runtime before it needs to recharge. Besides, it is capable of receiving on 40 channels and it can be clipped onto the MLP4 radio for hands-free operation. You can select channels from the easy-to-use button atop the body of the Inductrix. On the other hand, it requires much more power to fly around with the added weight of the camera. So, it offers high-performance 14,300 kV motors. Another advantage is that, the included FPV monitor is a 4.3-inch Spectrum, SPMVM 430. And it is the perfect solution for FPV without having to pony up the cost of a full goggle system. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.